episode today. We're doing press 10-120s. I've never done this shit before. So, let's see how easy it's going to be. It comes down, makes contact. I'm just pushing it right off. Barely any pressure. We're going to relieve a little pressure. Maybe resituate that cage a little bit. Go back down. Relieve some pressure. Go again. Now, this thing's only getting up to like 1,500 PSI up there on that gauge. We can go to about 4,000 or 5,000 safely. But I'll have to do this back and forth a couple more times before we get it off. Not even 3,000. We're almost off here, guys. Gets down there, it'll shoot it off. Whoop. There we go. She's done. Pressure drop. And she's off. Oh, we gotta push another one on. That tire is off. We've got the stand and the rim there. New tire gonna go on. We're gonna PD blast this. Set that and that up there. Push it on. Well, I'm having to push it down because that cage won't fit up there in that little bit of distance. So I'm gonna push it down a little bit. Then put that up there. Push the rest of the way on. Most importantly, before we put that up there, we put that lock ring up there before that cage goes up there. Now we push down past the flange so we get a lock ring on.